shit, what's that? Oh, it's a 9 to 5 on my wrist. I can't call it life if I can't never take risks. I can't break bread with niggas I don't fuck.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
I'm blowing out like I used to. Blue strips don't glue to. Can't hear nothing. This ain't the life that I'm used to. Yeah, but I can't do something. Yeah, but I can't do. But I can't do it. But I can't do this change. But I can't do it. Hey, okay, I got it on lock, yeah. Took me to see it, but for all the fuck back together, yeah, I got it now. And they come around, when they see me, I ain't mad about it. I can't make it smile. Please believe me, I'm the one that got the key. Find a line, so them break it. It's amazing how I got these niggas hate.
Hey, dude. Can I come in? Leave it open? Okay. Right there's black handle. There you go. So it's louder with you loading off of that door. Oh, okay. Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here like I don't know? Go ahead, man.
It's Frankie. It's for Avatar STU 15s on 2 Crescendo AKs.
Okay, nice. Are those are they strapped or game matched?
They're game matched.
Okay.
It's an 8K per pair.
Okay. I like that you have a little extra room on your B pillar here.
Yeah.
For extra. And it's a 6th order, very nice. Yep. Okay. Do you know what is the tuning on it?
The front port is 28 and the rear I think is 32.
That's pretty windy pressure coming off of this side of the passenger with that door loading off of it. Nice.
It's not bad.
This is really
sunroof and everything. It's not
really.
sunroof,
That's the sunroof too. Oh, I was wondering what was
the
slapping.
noise is. Yeah,
Okay.
it's the sunroof.
Nice. So you're gonna put like a wood
Yeah,
platform?
I'm gonna wood roof it and then I'm gonna support the baffle because it's flexible.
Moving too? Okay. Nice.
So,
wow.
it's still a work in progress.
Oh yeah, that's the base head life, man. Nice. What's your alternator battery power?
It's a 90 amp hour C-Max, and then I got one single 370.
Nice. And you're
Frankie.
Frankie on Team Hertz Felons. All right, I like your shirt.
I
Awesome.
appreciate it, man.
Nice.
J Rusticles.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Case did that. Third being still black.